If your life feels heavy right now, it's not because you're weak, it's because something needs to end. Something you've been carrying, something you've been forcing, something that no longer fits who you're becoming. This is not a hype video. This is a reset. We live in a world that tells you to hustle through everything, through pain, through exhaustion, through burnout, smile, grind, repeat. But no one talks about what happens when you've been strong for too long, when you're disciplined, but tired, hey, focus, but empty, motivated, but disconnected. You don't feel lazy, you feel stuck. And the truth is, you're not broken. You're overloaded. Too many expectations, too much noise, too many versions of yourself that you're trying to keep alive. At some point, strength without rest becomes self-destruction. Before you rise, you must restore. Restore your mind, restore your nervous system, restore your sense of self. Rest is not quitting. Rest is listening to what your body has been whispering, and then screaming. You don't need to disappear forever. You need silence long enough to hear yourself again. This is where most people feel guilty, because rest doesn't look productive, but healing is productive. Clarity is productive. Letting go is productive. You are allowed to stop running. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to put something down that's been hurting you. Not everything that feels familiar is meant to stay. Right now, slow down, take a breath, unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders. For the next 10 seconds, do nothing, just be here. This is what control feels like again. Now we rise, not with noise, not with motivation, with standards. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline is not. Discipline is choosing to show up, even when you don't feel inspired. Especially when you don't feel inspired, you don't need a new personality. You need a simple structure. Wake up when you said you would. Do the work you promised yourself. Keep small commitments daily. That's how confidence is rebuilt, not overnight, but brick by brick. Stop waiting to feel ready. Ready comes after action, and stop explaining yourself. You don't owe the world a preview. Let them doubt, let them misunderstand. You're not here to be understood. You're here to become disciplined. At some point, you will outgrow who you used to be. Old habits will feel uncomfortable. Old conversations will feel empty. Old versions of you will start to feel foreign. That's growth. You don't need to announce it. You don't need validation. Disappear quietly. Work relentlessly. Heal intentionally. Shock them with consistency. Let your results introduce you. Keep pauses. This isn't a comeback. It's a rebuild. You are not starting from zero, you're starting from experience. So rest when you need to, heal what you've ignored. And when it's time, rise with discipline, rise with clarity, rise without apology, restore yourself, then rise. If this grounded you, stay. You're rebuilding now.